So hey, welcome guys. Here we are discussing the question number 1 of MSTL 001 Basic Statistics Lab PGDAST course. So before starting this, I want to share something. So we are providing the complete paid assignments of all the codes from MST 001 to MSTL 002. So and we are providing coaching also. If you want the coaching tuitions for PGDAST, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Now the question is, the first question from the lab course is here. So in this one, the cooking oil supplier distributed two types of oils, and say oil A and oil B to a large numbers of retail stores. The supplier wants to compare the popularity of both oils. For their purpose, he selects a sample of 100 stores and tracks record of the sold oils of each type at each store. The data are noted in the following: the store numbers. So here are the 50 stores are here. Sorry, not the 50 stores. There are the 100 stores are here, and we have collected different types of oils, oil A and oil B, and now we have to find we have to answer the following: which type of the oil has more average sales, which oil shows greater variability in the sales, determine the correlation between both types of oils, compute suitable width of class intervals for both oils, and construct the continuous frequency distribution for both oils. So here are the 5 questions which is related to this table. So if you want all the answers, and if you want all the assignments in a PDF form of all the codes, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number 900 936 8238. Thank you so much for watching this video.